Hi, in this quick video I will show you how to enable a replay mode on the ADAS Heatmap, so you can backtest your strategies. First off, you need to have the Heatmap turned on the instrument you want to backtest. Don't forget that for the Heatmap to work properly, you will need to connect the correct data feed. Each instrument trades on a different exchange, so you will need a level 3 MBO data from the specific exchange. Everything is explained in my 17-minute Heatmap masterclass. If you haven't seen this masterclass yet, I definitely recommend watching it. You will find the entire setup process along with strategies, connecting deep data, and so much more. The link is up here in the card. Once you have the Heatmap running, click on the replay mode option. Connect the replay and then under the market data type field, select tick and DOM level 2. This is very important. Leave the template set to default and choose the time duration that you want to backtest. Keep in mind that downloading and loading replay mode with Heatmap and with deep level 2 MBO data, level 3 MBO data, takes significantly longer than, for example, using candles and the best generated prices. So just for you to know, ADAS also doesn't allow you to download data for the current day, so you can only backtest yesterday's and latest data. Also very important information. Next, select the instrument you want to backtest. Here you can also see the module count. If you have both Heatmap and, for example, footprint charts open for the same instrument, each chart counts as one module. This is great because you can watch the replay from multiple perspectives, not just the Heatmap, which in my opinion is very useful. So not only you will see replay of the Heatmap for that specific time duration or time period, but you will also see, for example, price action or footprint chart replay for that same time period. After that, just click the play button and wait for the historical exchange data to download and process. As I mentioned, this might take a little while. Once loaded, you can adjust the replay speed and you can even tweak your Heatmap settings while the replay is running. Thanks to this ADAS replay mode setting, you will be able to see exact historical limit orders and how aggressive market participants reacted to them, making it perfect for backtesting things like, for example, absorptions. Alright, I hope this guide helped. If you want to dive more deeper into the Heatmap and master it at professional level, I highly recommend watching our full Heatmap masterclass, where you will learn everything you will need for that, completely for free. The video is right here and I'll see you there.